In a quaint Tuscan village, young Sophia thrived. Her heart overflowed with kindness. One fateful day, she discovered an injured bird. Gently she cradled it, naming her Luna. Their bond blossomed. Days turned into adventures, exploring vineyards and stargazing. Inspired, Sophia volunteered at an animal shelter, nurturing her dream of helping others. Years passed, and Sophia became a compassionate woman, with Luna by her side. An exciting opportunity arose, an animal sanctuary. With determination, they built it together. On opening day, animals flooded in, finding love and hope. Sophia's sanctuary shone brightly, a testament to love's power. Together they changed lives forever,